Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add Amazon Pay to Shopify. First of all, you need to open the Shopify app in the web browser. Then click on Settings from the bottom left corner of the dashboard. After that, click on Payments from My Store Settings. Scroll down to Supported Payment Methods and click on Add Payment Methods. Now search for a method you want to use. Here search Amazon and click to add it. Then you can add more payment methods like Visa. After adding the payment methods, you can see who provides these payment methods. You can click to activate these offers if you want. Then tap on Connect to activate cards. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.